In today's video, I will show you how to download Hogwarts Legacy in a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Hogwarts Legacy. Click on the first link that says Hogwarts Legacy Home. This is the official website of Hogwarts Legacy. Now, click on Get Now at the top right corner of your screen. You will see Standard Edition and Deluxe Edition. Choose your preferred edition. We will go with the Standard Edition. Now, choose your platform, like PlayStation 5, Xbox Series, or PC. I want to play the game on PC. You will get options to buy the game from Steam or Epic Games Store. Choose your preferred store and purchase the game. We will select Steam for now. A page like this will appear. Make sure to log into your account first. Scroll down and you will see Buy Hogwarts Legacy. Click on Add to Cart beside it. Go to the cart and click on Continue to Payment. Choose your preferred payment method and enter all the required information. Once the purchase is successful, go to the library section and you will find the game there. Click on the game, then click on Install, complete the installation process, and you can start playing the game. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.